Assalamu alaikum, my lovely friends and family. Hope you are all in the best state of health. We sound Amen. Welcome to Iwat Eti Kitchen. In today's video, Bidin Lai Ta'ala, we are going to be sharing with you how to make this easy but ultimate and amazing chicken recipe. So let's begin. Bismillah. The first thing to do is to get your chicken ready. I'm using 8O chicken in this recipe. The chicken was fresh when I bought it, but because I don't have the energy, so I just put it inside the freezer. So when I get it out overnight, some part of the chicken is still frozen. Anyway, the solution to that is just to run warm water on the chicken while cleaning them. Don't feel tempted to want to add hot water, because if you do, that means you are cooking the chicken already with the germs and bacteria. So after finish cleaning the chicken one by one, next is to clean the chicken with salt, vinegar, and lime. At this point, I would love to know, how do you normally clean your chicken? Please kindly share on the comment section below. After I thoroughly give the chicken a good bath, now it's time to cream the chicken. And these are the ingredients I will be using. 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of curry, 2 tablespoons of minced herb, and 3 tablespoons of chili flakes. After you get what you're going to be creaming the chicken with, gently apply it to the chicken. These are the basic. And I'll be using aroma. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon. You don't have to use aroma. You can use any stock of your choice. If you notice in my cooking, I always combine the stocks. This to give the food unique and distinctive taste, and also to bring that unique aroma that nobody can resist. Try this method and you'll thank me later. As such, I'm using 50-50. Although 50-50 is low in sodium, but the downside of it is that you have to use more to be able to bring about that good taste. Anyway, after applying the cream, what you need to do now, you need a strong arm to be able to give the chicken a good massage. You mix well. After finish mixing, you can cook it straight away, or you can decide to leave it to marinate for a while. I'm not cooking this straight away because I need to take a break, so I'm going to leave it to marinate like for 30 minutes or 1 hour while I do my share and attend to other stuff. While the chicken is relaxing, I need to prep some onions. For this recipe, I'll be using 10 medium-sized onions. Does onion make you cry? If yes, try this method. Try to soak the onion in lukewarm water for a while. Do you know that apart from this stopping you from having tearful eyes while peeling onions, it also makes it easy and fast to peel the onions. Next is to prep some ginger. Try to give the ginger a good bath, and don't forget to check for some hidden area where some sand can be hiding. Do you know that cooking with old ginger can bring about general health benefits? Apart from the fact that it saves you time for having to peel the ginger, it also reduces food wastage. It helps with inflammation, which is a take for people with FND. It helps to improve hydration, circulation, and protect against UV damage. I've had 1 handful of garlic and 3 medium-sized onion to the chopper. Another good thing about cooking with the old ginger is that once you blend the ginger, the skin is unnoticeable. Anyway, once you are done blending the ginger, garlic, and onion, next is to add it to the chicken. You need to mix it well again. I know it may not be easy, but it is what you have to do. I don't know why you always find it difficult to sleep at night. I don't know whether it's the ADHD or something else. So a lot that knows. Once you're satisfied with the mixing and you're sure that all the ingredients has combined, next is to start cooking the chicken. Don't forget to add water. You need to cover the chicken about 50 to 60% of it with water. Once that is done, cover it and let it simmer for like 30 to 40 minutes. After the 40 minutes is over, go back to it, mix well, and cover again and continue cooking it. After another 40 minutes, go back to it and check for the softness. I think by now the chicken should be done. Alhamdulillah, the chicken has finished boiling. It has been boiling for 1 hour 30 minutes now. At this junction, you need a strong arm to be able to remove the stock from the chicken. Once that is done, you need to decide what to do with the chicken, to fry it, grill it, or put it in the air fryer. As for me, I prefer grilling or air fryer. I dislike frying, apart from the fact that it's not good for the health. It is time and energy consume. Anyway, while the chicken is grilling, frying, air frying, it's time to start preparing the sauce. I add 1 liter of oil to the pan. For the pepper, I'm using 30 different type of bell pepper. I had about 15 to 20 scotch bonnet and 10 to 15 fresh tomato, the small size. The reason for using little tomato is because I don't want the color of the pepper to change. The next is to start blending the pepper, and I'm going to be using the kitchen heat to do the blending. This will take like 20 minutes to sort out. After finish blending, I boil this pepper for like 15 to 20 minutes. The reason for this is because I'm going to take a break and continue the following day. You don't have to pre-boil the pepper if you are cooking it straight away. I don't want this to overcook, so I take it out. If you remember yesterday that I was blending the pepper, I didn't have any onions. So today that I'm planning to cook the stew, I'm going to be using 9 medium-sized onion. I'll just chop it. Add about 1 liter of oil to the pan. Once it's hot, add in the onions and fry. After the pepper has burnt, onion has been frying for like 10-15 minutes. I add in that pepper. The pepper that I just add now has not been pre-cooked. It's just additional leftover pepper. So I will let this fry for a while I need to go into my charges. Before I go, I try to turn the chicken and put it back in the oven. Alhamdulillah, tajud is done and the pepper has fried a little bit. I add in 1 tablespoon of minced herb and thyme. I mix well. Then I also add some of the stock, the thick part from the sheaf. Alhamdulillah, some of the chicken has finished grilling or air frying. Alhamdulillah, the cooking is going on well. I will set this aside. Now is the time to add the already pre-boiled pepper. You don't need to wait till this time. You can add the pepper at the first stage. You know, at the stage where I had the fresh pepper, that's the time that you add this pepper together. That's if you are not using already boiled pepper. Although the pepper is not pre-boiled for that long, but it's still not like fresh pepper. Anyway, I add 1 teaspoon of curry powder and I'm going to be using ordinary no, about 10 cube of that. The mangi is kind of relatively hard, so I'm going to be using the spice grinder. This always come in handy for tasks like this. You can use mortar and pestle, but I prefer the spice grinder. Add it and make sure you mix well. Another tip that I want to quickly share with you is that if you are making fried stew, especially for rice, you don't need to add that much water. If it's possible for you to blend the pepper without water, that would be great. I'm adding a little bit of the stock. I was going to boil egg to add to the stew, but we only have 4 egg left. Oh, after having the stock, let me check whether I will still need to add salt. Yes, I need to add little salt. Just like 1 teaspoon of salt. Only add salt after you check the taste and let it fry for a while, like 20 minutes should be fine. You don't want to overcook the pepper. Although if you do, there is no problem. But that unique bell pepper freshness will be missing from the taste. And that's what makes the stew tasty and sweet. Anyway, it's time to add the chicken. After finish adding the chicken, don't feel tempted to want to cover the stew, because if you do, there will be more steam and water. So what you need to do is just to reduce the heat so that there won't be too much splash everywhere. You can also cover it halfway. Alhamdulillah, like the name it. After 20 minutes, our sauce is ready. Mashallah, tabarakallah. After we finish cooking this, next is to decide what we are going to be eating with this. Please kindly share your suggestion. We hope you enjoyed this video and you learned one or two things from it. If you do, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe for more amazing and unique recipe. With this, I leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love, Iwat, and don't forget to keep smiling.